Welcome to our channel today. No, I have to go down there. Should I pop up? Boom! Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna talk about Jerven from Norway. This product is amazing. I use this for 6 months now, and you can use it as a raincoat, maybe poncho, blanket, survival blanket to keep you really warm in the winter, and you can hide from the enemies, and you can use it as a shelter. It is really nice. They have one other version which is called Primaloft, which is more isolated, but this one was good enough for me. Let me show you how I use this one. Stay tuned. Well, the first thing I want to show you is how to set up a tarp with this one. It's quite small. It would always fit in your bag. It's compact, really nice. And as you can see here, the inside is isolated, so this will reflect light. So let me set up a tarp as a shelter and come on. Alright, so the tarp is ready. It's very easy to set up. We made a small fire here, and the heat from this fire, I can already feel it, how this inside is reflecting the heat. This material is reflecting the heat way better than a normal tarp. So I really recommend this one, and it's so big that one person can easily sleep and stay dry in here the whole night. I even used this for my whole family. We were 3 people camping, and we used this on a bushcraft camp, and me and my wife was also camping 2 weeks ago. We built a small bushcraft shelter. Me and my wife link is over here, and my family link is over here. Now I like to show you how you can use this as a survival blanket to stay warm in the winter. With the zippers you can make it into like actually a bag that you can be inside totally. But if you want to use it as a rain poncho, you could actually walk around in this. And there are pockets here, so I could actually wear this on a rainy day. There are even sleeves. Let's bring the sleeves. So if you are planning to walk around with this as a rain poncho and you don't want to get wet around your arms, they even send you this. It's quite fancy, quite good. This will keep you dry actually. And warm. Now we're gonna do the final test. I'm gonna go inside this. I am really cold in my fingers now. Today I brought a thermometer with me, and it is -2 or 3 degrees there. I'm gonna go inside this survival blanket now and see how warm I can get that thermometer inside. So stay tuned. Okay, so I sat myself down here on the snow in the tarp, and I will bring this thermometer inside here, and I will close everything so to keep myself warm. So I will see you in 15 minutes. Oh my God, that is amazing. Now that is 12 degrees. That is, yeah, 12 degrees from -2 to +12 in 50 minutes. I would just hold this one, not in my hand, it was laying down on the tarp, and I feel really warm. And it's not like a sauna, but I feel warm inside here. I can definitely spend hours and hours in this tent. I'm just sitting straight on the snow, so I'm a little bit cold in my ass or back, but Yeah, this is a good survival shelter and survival blanket. Amazing. Highly recommend it. I will go back inside. Okay, thank you for joining me in this video. This was the first time I actually tried this one out as a survival blanket. I never been in a situation where I had to do it, but after been trying this with the thermometer, I am super confident that I can have this as a survival blanket, plus a tarp and a rain poncho, and I'm always carrying this in my bag when I go for hiking. You should get one too. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye bye.